Most people think all gas is the same, but over 70% of the fuel sold in America is slowly killing your engine. Today, I'm revealing the 11 gasoline brands to avoid that put your car at risk with low-quality detergents. Does gas brand matter? Absolutely. I'll show you the shocking damage cheap versus expensive gas causes inside your engine. Then I'm going to reveal the only 5 brands I trust to keep my own F-150 on the road after 375,000 miles. The 11 brands to avoid. Number 11. Safeway gasoline. Ever wonder why your car acts up a few days after a fill-up? You might notice bad fuel symptoms like shaking at red lights, a weak engine, or a random check engine light. Safeway is one of the worst gas stations for your car because they prioritize low prices over quality. While it looks like a deal, it often leads to expensive repairs. Their fuel lacks enough detergent, the soap your engine needs to stay clean. Without it, sticky black carbon builds up, making your engine run tired. To make matters worse, Safeway isn't top-tier gas, so it fails the high cleaning standards trusted by major automakers. Number 10. 7-Eleven gas. Most people don't realize 7-Eleven doesn't make its own fuel. They just buy whatever is cheapest that week. This means zero consistency. One station might be okay, while the next sells total junk. I've had customers whose cars ran perfectly until a 7-Eleven fill-up. Suddenly, the car is shaking at red lights, struggling to accelerate, and losing gas mileage. You might try to fix this with a bottle of fuel injector cleaner, but that's often just a Band-Aid. There are numerous reports of their stations selling gas mixed with too much alcohol or gunk from old, rusty underground tanks. Number 9. Sam's Club. Warehouse gas stations focus on volume, not quality. Because Sam's Club buys from various local suppliers, there is no consistent recipe for their gas. You never truly know what's going into your tank. I've seen cars with clogged filters and engines that won't start after a Sam's Club fill-up. Drained tanks often show cloudy gas, a sign of water or dirt in their system. Since they aren't top-tier certified, they only meet the bare legal minimum. Your engine deserves better. Number 8. Circle K. This brand is sneaky because it's everywhere, but they don't make their own fuel. They just buy whatever is cheapest from local sellers. I've seen engines gummed up after months of Circle K use. This leads to sticky parts and engines that stutter because their gas lacks strong cleaning chemicals. Even worse, several stations were recently fined for selling water-contaminated fuel that caused serious engine damage to dozens of cars. Number 7. Murphy USA. These are convenient Walmart-adjacent stops, but they aren't high quality. Their business is based on being the cheapest, which usually means skimping on the cleaning chemicals your engine needs. Data shows their fuel often fails to meet proper cleaning standards. This inconsistency causes your engine to burn dirty, leading to carbon buildup. You might save a few cents today, but the dirty engine it leaves behind can lead to massive repair bills later. Number 6. Speedway. It looks like a big, clean brand, but their gas often comes from cheap, mixed suppliers. I always see the same results: dirty engine parts, a weak gas pedal, and poor fuel economy. This happens because their fuel lacks enough cleaning chemicals. Speedway isn't top-tier certified. They meet the bare minimum legal standards and nothing more. Number 5. Love's Travel Stops. Road trippers love them for convenience, but that doesn't mean quality. Their fuel has been flagged multiple times for contamination and dirty storage tanks. I've seen customers fill up for a long trip only to break down halfway there. When we drained their tanks, we found cloudy fuel and visible dirt. Like the others, Love's isn't top-tier certified. It's just basic, risky fuel. Number 4. Amoco. This one surprises people. Since its comeback, Amoco is basically BP gas with a different name. The issue? Their regular blends are often criticized for weak cleaning chemicals compared to brands like Shell. EPA records even show complaints about Amoco fuel causing carbon buildup in modern engines. Despite the marketing, many Amoco stations aren't top-tier certified. Number 3. Pilot Flying J. This brand has been in the news for all the wrong reasons. Back in 2013, the FBI raided their headquarters after the company admitted to cheating truckers out of fuel rebates. Many drivers still complain about the fuel quality. Some of that fuel tested high in water or had heavy sediment from old tanks. Number 2. Sunoco Regular Grade. This one hurts to say because Sunoco's name is big in racing, but that racing fuel is nothing like what you're getting at the pump. Their regular grade gas is a whole different story. I've seen more engine deposits and knock issues from Sunoco's regular unleaded than almost any other major brand. Tests showed that their base grade fuel often falls short on detergents. Number 1. Criminals selling waste fuel. This isn't just bad gas, it's a crime. Shady distributors have been caught mixing regular gasoline with industrial waste like used oil and chemicals. Companies like Lamb Fuels made headlines for this. Drivers who used this toxic fuel reported engines knocking, smoking, or dying completely within days. It's the ultimate engine killer, and it happens more than you'd think. 5 gasoline brands that protect your engine. Not every brand plays dirty. Some actually go above and beyond to protect your engine. Let's talk about the 5 gasoline brands that actually protect your engine. Number 5. Chevron with Techron. This is the gold standard. Chevron's Techron formula isn't just marketing. It's one of the strongest cleaners ever made for cars. It actually scrubs carbon off your engine parts while you drive. Since it's top-tier gas, it meets and often exceeds the strict cleaning standards that car makers recommend to keep your engine healthy. Number 4. Shell. This fuel actually fights engine buildup instead of just slowing it down. Their cleaning system creates a protective barrier that stops gunk from sticking to your engine's metal parts. Shell is famous for consistency. Every station follows strict top-tier gas standards, so you know exactly what you're getting every time. Number 3. ExxonMobil. This brand is all about consistency. Their Synergy blend is packed with cleaners that protect your engine from rust and gunk. What's great is that even their cheapest, regular grade is top-tier gas. You aren't getting a weak or watered-down mix here, just high-quality fuel that keeps your engine running smooth. Number 2. Costco. Most people think warehouse gas is low quality, but Costco is different. Their fuel is top-tier certified, meaning it has the same high-quality cleaners as Shell or Chevron. Because they sell so much gas, it's always fresh, and they keep their storage tanks incredibly clean. You're getting premium protection at a warehouse price. Number 1. BP Amoco Ultimate. This one tops the list for a reason. It isn't just basic gas, it's engineered to clean your engine as you drive. The cleaners are so strong they can actually remove old gunk and carbon buildup over time. It's top-tier certified, and BP says it keeps engines up to 60% cleaner than cheap gas. It is the best thing you can put in your tank.